Hi there, Lori from Common Curriculum here. Today, my job is to talk to you about importing and sharing lessons. This allows teachers to be able to divide and conquer in planning. It also allows admin to go ahead and create sample lessons and share them, have teachers import those types of things. So let's jump in and we'll talk some more later. Okay, what you're looking at right now is I'm in one of my plan books underneath the unit timeline. Teachers, these are all just different views for all of the information teachers put in. But underneath the unit timeline, you're going to see my classes on the left, and you're going to see these blue dots. These blue dots are all of the lessons. So as you can see, I have a bunch of lessons in reading, have a bunch in writing, I have 0 in math. And this is a likely scenario. When I was teaching in New York City, I used to collaborate with Miss Vicky. I was a literacy person. She was a math person. So I very often would share lessons with her or come to her for advice on how best to teach something in math. So in this case, say I want to borrow a unit that she has created. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go to my week view, which is all of the lessons in a week view. We have reading here. I'm going to scroll down to math. You always want to think about, where do I want the new lessons I'm importing to live? In this case, I'm going to start a new unit. Oops, I went past it. Right here. Here's math. You can see the lesson is empty. So I'm going to hit the 3 buttons next to my math lesson where I want the import to start. And keep in mind, this is a lesson menu. So 3 dots next to a lesson menu. I click those 3 dots and I hit this 1 button, import lessons and units. And because CC is super collaborative, you can come up here and click this banner and go to the year of the plan book you're looking for. So say this is Miss Vicky from last year. I'm going to hit 23-24 and I'm going to come on down to math here and I'll find Miss Vicky. So everybody in your school's plan books are here. Okay. And I'm going to pretend that this actually is Miss Vicky's math plan book and I'm going to hit math. And then you're going to be able to see very clearly and easily all of the lessons that she has in that plan book. In this case, it's 1 whole unit. You can see them all on place value. I'm going to borrow that. It turns out it's 30 lessons long, but if I just hit that 1 check mark, if it's packaged like a unit and I hit that check mark, it's going to take all 30 lessons, but I don't have to. I could just take 1 lesson if I want. It's up to you. But I'm going to take all 30 and hit this blue button, import. And now you're going to be able to see that I have all of her lessons in my math unit. So, in my math class. So if I go back to my unit timeline view and I come on down here where there was nothing, you can now see I have a unit on place value with 30 lessons. So I hope this is helpful. Very easy to share as little or as much as you'd like, and to share, from one level to another. So take care, ask questions, and can't wait to talk to you soon.